The topic of my Jum'ah khutbah is Jannah, the ultimate abode of the believers. What is the meaning of the word Jannah? The word Jannah, it is derived from the root word Jim Noon Noon, that is Jannah. And this is mentioned in Lisan al-Arab, volume number 13, page number 92. This is the linguistic definition of Jannah. It is derived from Jim Noon Noon, which means satara, which means to conceal, which means to hide. Various Arabic words are derived from the word Jannah. For example, from this root word Jannah. For example, Majnoon, which means an insane person. For example, Junoon, which means insanity. Also Jinn, because they are concealed from our vision. Majnoon, that is an insane person because his mind is concealed. What does Jannah mean? Jannah, it refers to beautiful gardens. And in Islamic terminology, Jannah, it refers to paradise that is awaiting for the believers in the afterlife, in the next life. And why is it called as Jannah? Because it is concealed from our vision. We cannot see it in the life of this world. There are various names of Jannah that are mentioned in the glorious Quran, no less than 14 different names.